So hello guys, today I will show you like how I manage my trade. So initiate a trade is like one thing, but if you don't know how to manage your trade or how to it's very difficult for anybody to make money in this market. Like it's just I'm giving you an example. I have took a trade on SBI and like how I analyze the data and how I manage my trade. So let me share my screen first and I will show you the show my trade first. So if you can see my screen, so this was the trade. This was the trade we took on like 2nd of November, where like 5th of November there was a like result said that we will monitor it very closely and update about the adjustments. Let me show you what happened after that result has came. So let me share the chart of SBI first. So let's open TradingView platform. So this is TradingView platform, and so let me share the chart of SBI. Okay, so like we have created this strategy on like 2nd of November, where SBI was trading below this resistance zone, and you can see there was a like sharp upside movement. So this was the moment when result was declared, and it opened gap up next day. So this was our strategy. Okay, so our break even was our upper break even was 617.5. So we were like following 620. Like if we SBI managed to like close above or sustain above 620, we will like adjust our strategy. So let's look at the chart. What happens on like 7th of November? So it made a high of 622.70. So like at market open, when market opens and like SBI was trading around 620. So our trade was like it's about 19,000 rupees in loss. Okay. So what normal person will do, like, so if you know how these iron condors are, so if like there is any breakout or breakdown from your break even, you have to do certain adjustments. So like we should also like initiate few adjustments. But what we did, so let me share you what was the data on like 7th. So this was the data, like on 7th, this was the data. We have seen like, and let me show you what is the change in Y also. If we can check. So we can check, and let's say we have this. So okay. So this was the like change in Y. Like people are shifting their like whatever the call they have shorted to the higher levels, where they are shifting from here like 600 to 620. So they are shifting at just 620 and they are shifting at 630. So like it gives us a little a bit indication that the bigger hands are expecting that SBI will not break this level. That's why they are shifting their position to 620 now. So they are shifting their positions to 620, 630. So, and if you look at that like OI chart, if you look at the data, if you look at the chart, you can see there is a like PCR is below 0.40, or you can say it was around like 0.3. So this also indicates that 620 is a like major resistance for now, and it is not giving a breakout from 620. So 620 was our like we were tracking it as a break even. Okay, get to know that 620 SBI is not breaking the 620, and until 620 is not breaking, we will not do any adjustments. So we will leave it as it is. And now look at the, like, today SBI is trading below 600, but below 600, and you can see this 9 converted into 16,000 rupees profit here. I hope you can see this. So if you know, like, so why am I telling you all these things? Because if you know when to hit the pedal, you don't need to bother about like what is happening in the market. So what mistake people are doing this, they know the basics, like they know the basics, they knew how to do adjust their position, but when to initiate the adjustments, they don't know these things, like when we have to react actually, or you can say. So if you know like when to react, you can like manage your trade more more professionally, or you can say. And this is what I am teaching in the mentorship program. I'm not just teaching you the like what is the entry rule and what is the exit rule and what are the adjustments, but I will be there to handhold you like when to react actually. And if you don't know when to react actually, you know everything, you know the entry exit rules, you know the adjustments, but when to react actually, when to initiate those adjustments, if you don't know the simple things, I don't think like you or anyone can make money in this market. So these are the like backbones. Like take entry is one thing, and like when to react or when to adjust your position, when to initiate the adjustments. This is the one thing. So trade management is one thing, and taking entry and exit is one thing. So if you know how to manage your trade, you can like make money consistently. Else you know everything, you know that theory, you know the adjustments, you know entry exit rule, but if you don't know how to manage your trade, you can't make money. So if you want to learn this thing like when to react actually, so you can like just book your seat in the mentorship program, which is like first batch is starting on like 21st of November. So we have it's a third version. We have initiated like many other benefits, and the main USP of this mentorship program is to provide you hand holding support in the live market. So you don't need to bother about like whom to ask if you have any query in the live market and you created a strategy and now it is like going against your expectations. So whom you should contact, you just leave your comment or you just leave your query in our premium community where I'm always there, and you just 1 or 2 minutes you will get your reply. You have solved your query. So this is the like hand-holding support. I don't want to teach you the theory or don't want to give you the practical knowledge. I just want to be with you in your trades and to teach you the blueprints of these adjustments, or you can say, or I will teach you how to like manage your trades. So if you are interested to learn or to trade like as a professional trader, so just book your seat. We have a special like early bird offer running now, which is expiring tomorrow. So you can just book your seat in the link below. And I personally, I want to see you in our premium community or in our learning community. Thank you guys. Have a profitable trading. Thank you for watching.